are better than movies. Most of the times, books are better than movies because they can let you imagine the settings of events which happens in the stories because they are also more detailed than movies. Sometimes they leave out some important details as movies does not leave out important details. In some movies, they switch up the character because in the book they are different and totally opposite. When we read a book, we tend to visualize the characters in a certain way, and movies, they don't even look like the way we want them to. It even disappoints us in many ways. Example, I have read books before. We had a plot and twist in that books. At the end in the movie, but as compared to books, we have plots. It never happens in movies. And next comes about movies tends to last 2 hours, and books can take their own time, and they have no longer period of time, and they have no access to movies, and some people can afford to go to movie theaters, but some cannot, as books can be borrowed by the library or friends. Books are portable and can be read online as well anytime. When reading books, we get more knowledge, and it also helps us to improve our vocabulary, characters as described much better in the detailed form. One more important thing that books do have and movies don't is that they provide more background information than movies does. As compared to books, movies does not have much background. And I'm going to tell you about the top 10 reasons of books. You can imagine the way you want to. Example, you can imagine the characteristics, places, scenes, just the way you want them to. And books allow your mind to be very creative. And next comes books are more detailed. Example, apart from narrating the book, it explains the thoughts going through a character mind while performing an action, and it connects with them better, and it also immerses yourself deeper in books or in stories. Next comes books last for longer. Example, you can read a book at your own pace. You can either enjoy it by reading slowly over a few weeks or a month. So it cannot be destroyed. Movies cannot stay for longer time, and it cannot last for longer period. And next comes characteristics in book cannot be ruined by bad actions. Example, in movies, a lot of times brilliancy, developmental of characters, they fail to impress because of the actors' inability to perform their roles. Next comes, movies have limited storytelling time. For example, a good story can't be told to its full potential in 2.5 hours. Movies don't have the same budget as book budget is imagination. And movies can only be for 2.5 hours, but books can last for as much as you wish the hours to be. And next comes, books are totally portable. Example, you cannot take a movie in school. Can you take it in your school? You will have to worry about having electricity to play the movie, but books is not of electricity. Next comes, lot of movies focus on being commercial, compromising on quality. Example, directors mostly focus on making money, that they stop caring about their movies. Quality, they know what sells and which is sure to be mass fillings up in theaters. But books are not at that time. Reading is usually cheaper. Example, ticket price and popcorn and a drink for a movie which will last no more than 3 hours is the price of a book which will last for a week or 2 weeks that you can spend that money on it. And next comes reading is usually cheaper. Example, apart from doing something recreational, you are also something which is very productive for yourself. And next comes reading a story makes it stay in your mind longer. Example, a story you have read over a few days which will stay in your mind for longer period. Example, as you are reading your favorite book of Harry Potter, which you like the most, that story or book will just be in your mind for longer, which you may never forget it. And movies, like you may normally miss the scenes as books cannot happen and stories cannot happen. Thank you.